In the spring of 1521, the ships crossed the blank now called the international dateline. Would imaginary circle passing through the poles, imaginary line parallel to the equator, area, or landmass best fit this blank, or is the answer not found in the article? Let's begin by locating the original wording of the text. The third paragraph tells us that those who remained crossed the meridian we now call the international dateline in the early spring of 1521. As this is what our question is asking, we can understand that to answer it, we need to define meridian. Meridian refers to an imaginary line that runs through the world from north to south, just like the equator is an imaginary line that runs from east to west. As the text tells us, this specific meridian that they crossed is what we now call the international dateline. Because the meridian runs from north to south, where the poles are located, we can go to our answers and check A, imaginary circle passing through the poles, as our final answer.